MacBook Pro. It's 2012 13-inch MacBook. Recently मैंने इसे परचेज किया है from OLX and it has 2 GB of hard disk. We're gonna swap it with this SSD. It's a 240 GB as you can see, and this is our enclosure which we're gonna use for backup. Okay, so first of all we're gonna boot up the laptop. You can see the boot up time before the SSD, and I'll show you after we put the SSD how long it takes. By the way, मैंने इसे बहुत अच्छी डील में लिया है. It's in well condition और मोस्टली मुझे चाहिए था कि फ़ोटो एडिटिंग के लिए मुझे लैपटॉप चाहिए था. मोस्टली आई डू फोटोग्राफी, प्रोडक्ट फोटोग्राफी एंड ऑल्सो पोर्ट्रेट्स. सो या मेरा बजट थोड़ा कम था, इसलिए मैंने MacBook Pro 2012 model 13-inch laptop. It has 8 gigs of RAM, by the way. It has 8 gigs of RAM and it has 2 GB of hard disk, which we're gonna swap with this 240 GB SSD, and it's gonna make our laptop seemingly faster. So let's see. As you can see, it takes a lot of time, around 1 minute to boot up. Let's wait. By the way, it's my first video on YouTube that I'm gonna post. मैंने देखा, as you can see, it's boot up and yep, it took around 1.5 minutes. Okay guys, so इस अपग्रेड के लिए हमें SSD चाहिए होगा. I've got the Crucial BX500 240 GB, जिसे मैंने ऑलरेडी इसमें एनक्लोजर में अपने इंस्टॉल कर दिया है. We're gonna need an enclosure and an SSD to back up our files from the hard disk to the SSD first. So we're gonna use a carbon copy cloner for this. We're gonna use it in trial mode. You don't have to purchase. Okay, so here, before that you have to format your SSD by going simply to Spotlight and disk utility, and from here you have to go to external. It's untitled from now because I've already erased it all. To erase it, you just have to erase and go to format and select APFS, and you have to erase it. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay, so you're going to close it and you're going to come here on the carbon copy cloner, click to select a destination, and you're going to choose the untitled, the external SSD for this. And okay, now we have selected the destination. We're going to select the source, which will be our hard drive, internal hard drive, and we're gonna click on. Alright, so now we're gonna click on start, and it should start copying the disk. It can take some times. It depends on the data, how much data you have. I have around 60 GBs, so it should take around half an hour or 1 hour. I have no idea, but as we are using the USB 3, it should be faster. So let's see. Okay, so the backup is completed. Now we're gonna turn it off. The option, come on, we're gonna shut it down, and we're gonna open it and swap the disks. Turn off. पुराने लैपटॉप्स में ना ऐसी लाइट होती थी, so you should know if it's on or off. So right now it's on. We're gonna wait until it's totally shut down and it's on. Now we're gonna unplug the disk. We're gonna flip it over. Yeah, we have screws. We're gonna open up the back panel. Alright, so now first we're gonna have to remove the power, remove the battery cable. So just unplug like this, like a little Lego, so the power is off. Okay, now we are gonna have to remove this bracket. It's a bracket that holds the disk. We're gonna remove it. Okay, the bracket's off and the disk should come out like this. So this is the cable. We're gonna have to unplug the cable from here. This is our disk. It's Samsung's 2 TB disk. Now we're gonna take out our SSD. I just forgot. Okay, it's upside down. We're gonna take it out. और जो पुरानी अपनी SSD है, जो HSD है, सॉरी HDD हार्ड ड्राइव, जो अपनी पुरानी है अपन इसमें डाल देंगे. Oh, before that we have to. Now we have to take out these screws and put it on our SSD. So you wanna take it out. Oh shit. Fuck. ओके, सो ये स्क्रू खोलने अपने को अलग हेड चाहिए. ये स्टार वाला दिख रहा है कि नहीं, स्टार शेप में है. तो अपन इसको निकालेंगे. ओके, तो अभी ये सारे स्क्रूज अपने को इसमें लगाना है. Okay, now we're gonna connect it to the cable. Alright, I'm gonna fix it here. Okay, now we're gonna fix the bracket. This, okay. Okay, so it's done. We're gonna put it back in. Now put the cover back. Now we're gonna put it up and hopefully it will start. The old hard drive, you can use it as a backup and put it in enclosure, and we can use it for backup. Just look at the booting time. Okay, done. It took around 30 seconds only. Yes, did it. Everything is working fine. Alright, let's check the storage. Come on, Spotlight, disk utility. As you can see, we have 240 GBs SSD, and it's working very good. As you can see, all the files are here too. Everything is here. Can't connect to the iCloud because of the problem with the MacBook. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, like and share it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.